Sensation, bottom-up versus top-down processing. Using bottom-up processing, I can tell that that is a person floating on the lake. But with further inspection and the use of top-down processing, I can tell that is my friend Emma Kate on her paddleboard.
Sensation, selective attention. Emma Kate, you know you're allowed to go to school wearing those Nikes.
Yes, I can, Juliana. It's school appropriate.
Steven, you want some sunflowers?
Steven, let's go to Chick-fil-A.
Do you want some?
Steven! Climbed a mountain and
Selective attention. When there's a lot of things happening at once, so them two arguing, her banging my seat with the tennis racket, offering me some food, and some music playing, but I'm only focused on driving, so all of my attention is selectively pointed at just driving instead of all the other crap going on.
Sensation, sensory adaptation. Every day for 3 years, Steven has put his wallet in his right back pocket.
Quite comfortable, I must say.
What would happen if Steven put his wallet in his left back pocket?
Ooh, what is that? Oh, it's just my wallet. My left side of my body, aka my left butt cheek, hasn't adapted because it's never had that there before, so it's an awkward feeling for me.
Sensation, part 1, parallel processing. Parallel processing is multitasking. Steven is fishing, talking on the phone, and driving a boat. His attention is directed towards many things at once. Part 2, serial processing. Serial processing is doing a task by following the directions step by step.
So first, grab the line, pinch it with your finger. Second, you flip this little thingy up. Then, just make sure your finger's still on it. Go back and forward, and you cast it. And once it hits the water, you just start reeling in and hope you catch a fish. Oh, I think I got one! Perception, motion perception, 5 phenomenon. It looks like one light is running from right to left, but in reality, it's just each light is blinking on and off one at a time from right to left, causing it to look like it's one fluid motion going from right to left.
Perception, perceptual set.
Let me show you some of the moves from the sport I play.
Perceptual set is all about expectations. Because you see Steven next to the lacrosse stick and wearing a lacrosse sweatshirt, you expect him to show you moves from lacrosse. But then he reveals his tutu and shows that he's actually a ballerina.
Perception, perceptual constancy.
In this video, you're perceiving that the apple is as big as my head. But you really know that the apple is smaller than my head, and it's just because the apple's closer to the camera. Perception, depth perception, binocular and monocular cues.
Binocular cues judges the distance of nearby objects. 2 eyes are better than 1.
Hold your 2 index fingers about 5 inches in front of your eyes, with their tips ½ inch apart. Now look beyond them and note the weird result.
Whoa, floating finger sausage. This is relative motion. As the camera moves, objects that are actually stable may appear to move. This is an example of monocular cues, which depends on distance and are available to each eye separately. Perception, perceptual adaptation. Emma Kate just got her new glasses and is not used to them yet.
Oh, rats!
But over time, she eventually adapts to her glasses and is able to perform everyday tasks, like catching a ball. Yay!
Perception, perceptual organization. Perceptual organization is when we transform sensory information into meaningful perceptions. First, we must perceive objects as distinct from their surroundings, then we see them as having a meaningful and constant form, and then finally we discern their distance and motion. A common way of organizing information is based on similarity. In this case, we organize it in 3 columns, one of triangles, then circles, then triangles, rather than 3 rows alternating triangle, circle, triangle.
Sorry if our Nike shorts distract you.